In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a study planner in Notion. Start by opening your Notion workspace and creating a new page dedicated to your study planner. Give it a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly. Feel free to add an icon and a cover image to make it feel personal and motivating. A page that looks inviting is one you'll actually return to. Inside the page, set up simple sections to organize your academic life: subjects, assignments, exams, and your study schedule. You can add these as headings or toggles so the page stays clean. Under subjects, list the courses you're taking. Assignments is where you'll capture work you need to complete. Exams is for key dates and important details. And study schedule is your spot to map out when you'll study and what you'll focus on. Next, create a task database to track homework and deadlines. A table works great here. Add properties like subject, due date, status, and priority. Keep names short and consistent so you can sort and scan easily. As you add tasks, include clear titles, links to readings or slides, and any instructions you'll need later. Sorting by due date helps you see what's coming up first, and the status property keeps you honest about what's in progress versus what's done. Now switch to a calendar view of that same database to organize exams and study sessions. This makes deadlines and prep time visible at a glance. Drag tasks onto the days you plan to work on them, and place exam entries on their exact dates. If a task needs multiple study blocks, duplicate the entry across the days you'll tackle it, and link them back to the main task so everything stays connected. Within each task, add checklists for the steps you'll take, like reading, outlining, and practice questions. Use the notes area to capture key ideas, page numbers, or reminders you'll forget under pressure. For focus and triage, assign priority tags such as high, medium, or low, and try to keep high limited to what truly can't slip. Color coding these tags can make your calendar and table easier to scan. Finally, review and update your planner regularly to stay on top of your academic tasks. Do a quick daily check to log new assignments, adjust due dates, and mark progress. Then take a slightly deeper weekly review to plan the upcoming study sessions, confirm exam prep milestones, and tidy up completed items. Consistency matters more than complexity, so keep the system simple, keep it current, and let your planner guide you, one clear step at a time.